So back in 2017, we released this amazing WP Creator software. Now, go full screen on this video so you can see everything that we're talking about. We're at my forum, petestrafficsuite.com, where all my softwares are listed. And I'll scroll down to WP Creator Software, beta test for $1. Now, as you can see here, it was extremely popular. We generated tons of sales and people were extremely happy with it. One of the best things about this software is the results stick in Google. If you look at this sales page here, we've got all the listings from back in, where's the date? 28th of 9th, 2017. So we've got these rankings here. I might revisit these just now in a sec. What else have we got? So if you click on any of these, it takes you straight to the search results. And for this one, it's dropped a bit, but there you go, 2007, 17. What about SEO Brookwater? There it is there, September 22, 2017. SEO Consultant Boondle. There you go, September 22, 2017. SEO Consultant Broadbeach. There you go, number 1, September 22, 2017. So this is more than enough proof to show you that these results stick. You run the software once, you get results like this, and they hang around forever. And as you can see from the testimonials that people posted on my forum, hey Pete, just want to thank you for the awesome tools that totally rock. I use your tools for a client that I was recently hired to manage their online marketing, and we've taken over page 1 and 50% of page 2 for various keywords. They are impressed with the results. Now that you have added the WP Creator, it can only get better. Thanks. And the testimonials just go on and on. But this is not the good part. We have taken this software and totally redesigned it and made it 3 times faster. And this, where is it? Here. I created this morning, and this is the beautiful WordPress posts that are created by WP Creator, and it gets better the further we go down. These are mobile friendly, so Google loves them. Video embed of any YouTube link you put in the software, I'll show you in a minute. Unique article on every page created. A Google map with the geo coordinates that you enter in the software, and here's where things get awesome. What is that? Do we see? That is an embed of a Google sheet, an embed of a PDF, another embed, and another embed from a previous project I created with my Blogger software. So, which gets me to the point of why we updated the WP Creator. So here's the software. I'm going to take you through it and show you how simple it is to use. We've sped up this process. We've removed some stuff to make it work as fast as possible. So you select your project, click next, main keyword phrase up there, keywords here, article content. You just paste your article content in there, click on make spin tags, it spins it for you. You can test the spin tags. You can see each different variation of the article content that's created. Too easy. Click next. And here is where the main update has occurred. We've added this HTML section, and here you can embed anything you like. In this instance, there's 4 different embeds happening. You can put as many as you like. The only restriction is the more you put, the slower the page loads, which slightly affects its ranking performance. But typically for these runs, we're looking to generate as many links as possible. So I'm not that fussed about whether these pages rank or not. What I'm after is focusing on the backlinks. And did you know that embeds or iframes are the new do follow links in SEO? This is what is one of the big secrets for SEO pros, is using iframes to embed your content and get tons of do follow links. Very, very impressive. So click next. Add your related YouTube videos, which of course get embedded, which help your videos to rank if you use your own. The main site URL. Locate an image folder with the images that you would like to appear on this blog. The location for the Google map to add relevance. And guess what? That's it. So what I'm going to do now is run this, put a online stopwatch on it so you can see, and we'll see how long it takes. I'll speed it up obviously so you don't have to wait here forever, and I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so click on start and then click on start software. That brings up the preview window, which I'll drag over in a second, and I'll be back once it's finished creating this project. And there you go. It pops up the PDF with the username and password and all the links created. This was 12 keywords in 20 minutes. $20 divided by 12 equals 1.6 minutes per keyword. Which means, oops, and that is the blog post just created. That's 60 individual pages with all these backlinks on each page created. Now this is what we created with GMB Dominator, with all these embedded maps. But what's even better is these blogs have also got this up here embedded in these blog posts. So you get the idea of what we're doing with this extreme ranking report, which is coming out next week, hopefully. Now, you probably also noticed, or maybe it was too fast, but each of these blog posts have the tags added to them, which are your other keyword phrases entered in the software. The category is keyword optimize. So looking down here, when we say embed everything, we really mean embed everything. So going back to the sales page, created back in September 2017, I showed these results that we were getting here. So let's just revisit those now. I'm going to expand by rank, and now these were added in 2017, and these are still the results we're getting now from that work we did nearly 2 years ago. So incredibly impressive stuff. Okay, quick pro tip. So say I wanted to link all these up again. All I need to do is this, copy that many, Control C, new spreadsheet in Google Spreadsheets. Boom. there it is. Save that, go to permissions, go to share, save, advanced, change permissions, public, boom, grab that link, start the WP Creator software, go to your project, next, next. I've already created the project, so I don't need to change anything, just get to the HTML section. There's the link there. And just grab that link, cut, replace that link, click next, press start, and boom, you are creating links back to this document. Done. Also, copy link, copy, there you go, so you can do that. So you've got the anchor text with your keyword phrase in there. Plus you can type, delete column. Delete column, just tidy it up as much as you like, and you've got a beautiful spreadsheet stored on Google with all your links. Too easy. Or you can just create your links as you like. I just copied and pasted them from here, obviously, as a simple way to do it. This just ensures that those rankings are established over time, and I can run this project every 3 months or 6 months to maintain the #1 positions. So now, in theory, after we've done all this amazing work to this software, you would think we would be increasing the price. We're not increasing the price, we're keeping the price exactly as it was, but plus I'm giving you a 33% discount. Use the coupon code PETE33 and you will get 33% off the price on this amazing software. To go one step further, we've even initiated a $1 trial, and with the 33% off that, what are you paying? 67 cents to trial this amazing software for 5 full days. And you can generate, theoretically, in that time, 5 days times 24 hours equals, and then 60 links per hour times 60 pages per hour. That can't be right, but anyway, you can generate a whole bucket load of highly optimized WordPress pages on WordPress, enjoy great rankings, and enjoy incredibly powerful links from an incredibly powerful domain for 67 cents. Link is in the description below this video, or go to petestrafficsuite.com. And one important thing, my GMB members get a different discount. It's in the members area, go and check it out. So guys, as you can tell, we're incredibly excited in this period of time in SEO, or local SEO, particularly with GMBs. We've got so much new content coming out. We've got the Extreme Ranking Report, and Max is nearly finished working on the bonus 5 for GMB Dominator, the super secret project, which gets prospects to email you. I don't know, it doesn't get any better than that. So we've got so much new stuff coming out, so make sure you keep an eye on my emails coming out. When you see the live notification on Facebook, make sure you watch the new videos. We've got so much new stuff coming out. Right now you can grab WP Creator for 33% off with a $1 trial, link below the video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.